Good morning and welcome to ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open higher today. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.9% lower at 7,115 points. Technology company NextDC's revenue has beaten guidance, with the company reporting its total revenue increased 25% in FY23 to $362 million, topping its guidance of $350 to $360 million. Underlying EBITDA was up 15% to $194 million, and liquidity is $2.3 billion. The data centre as a service provider said it's taking advantage of the opportunities presented by the exponential tailwinds of enterprise modernisation and cloud computing, along with unprecedented acceleration of AI-driven application. NextDC confirmed FY24 guidance of total revenue in the range of $400 to $415 million. Fortescue Metals has appointed Dino Otranto as Chief Executive Officer after the board decided to expedite his appointment. Dino joined Fortescue in 2021 as Chief Operating Officer Iron Ore and has over 20 years' experience in the global energy and resources industry, spanning various commodities and operations across the globe. The company has also selected Dr. Larry Marshall as a non-executive director to guide the company's overall technology pathway. In other leadership announcement news, Telstra has appointed Craig Dunn as chairman following John Mullen's intentions to retire from the Telstra board after this year's AGM in October. Craig Dunn first joined the Telstra board in April 2016 and was re-elected at last year's AGM. He is currently chairman of the Audit and Risk Committee and a member of the Nomination Committee. Maggie Beer Holdings has posted a 1.4% drop in sales revenue to $88.7 million for FY23 as consumers feel the effect of rising interest rates and inflation. Gross margins were also impacted by higher operating costs and a general consumer shift from online to in-store, meaning margins were down 1.4 percentage points to 50.3%. The gourmet food producer reported a net profit of $462,000, compared with a loss of $12.3 million a year earlier when one-offs impacted the company. We'll take a short break now. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. On Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.7% higher. The S&P 500 gained 0.7% and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.9%. European markets closed higher. London's FTSE added 0.1%. Frankfurt also gained 0.1% and Paris closed 0.2% higher. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei dropped 2.1%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1.4%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.6% lower. That's the latest from ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes.